6x. Well, we got 20 instead, so that's like a couple more times than you thought, I guess. All right, here we go. Congratulations, everybody. All right. Let's see. Okay, Lizards, we know you're getting extra paycheck because you're spinning majority number ones and landing on cheap bonuses. Congratulations, Leonards. Whoa, wow, I got exposed, man. Why you have to say it publicly, man? Come on, that's a secret. Shush. Don't tell him. All right, Pachinko 3x though, guys, right? Pachinko 3x. All right, well, we got 2x Pachinko done, so let's see. Public apology when? At the end of the year. Gotta give me some time, man. I have to make a public speech. All right, come on. And we're going again. Pachinko 3x. There we go. All right, come on. Next time 4x, then 5x, then 6x, then 7x, then 8x, then 9x. Let's go. Here we go. Another one, everybody. Another one. DJ Khaled coming hot. All right, let's see. Ooh, so 6x. So we'll have actually a single digit. Ooh. We'll have 2 single digits, I guess. All right, well, I mean, it is what it is. But we got some 300x juicers as well. But 300x, but then again, next to the 45, next to the 9, next to the 6. Ooh, I kind of like this side better. This one's like more safe. All right. Let's see. Ooh, all right. I mean, it can't go both ways right at this point. 300x, everybody. Let's go. Woo! All right. Now down to the gravity. All right, here it goes. What you got for us? 300? Come on, I believe. Oh! So guys, Prince Sochin J23 rolling the ones, all right? I expect at least some kind of like, romance or something there, right? Come on. Give me like a letter or something. Write it down or something. I don't know. Send it to my mailbox or something. Which I open like once every 3 months, so you might have a late reply then. Because I never open my mailbox, because there's nothing going on there anyway. I only get some ads from like, it's like, whoa, internet, cheap internet, or like, whoa, from the stores, some kind of like, go visit our store, we sell cheap cucumbers or something, All right, well, there you go. Crazy Tom with a 2. All right, we're doing it again. Let's go, everybody. One more time. All right, one more time. Oh, somebody kicked out the bulb. All right, funny. All right, here we go, everybody. Not a crazy time. Double it, though. 2x on top of it, so here. Good. We're bomb. Look at that. Fancy. All right, now, choose your flat for green, blue, yellow, whatever you feel. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? All right. So, you're feeling like a plastic bag, then, well, I mean, you have to pick a flapper. Here it goes. 200x, everybody's on the map. Here it goes. Give this up. Whoa! Green, baby, with a 200. 40 for blue, 70 yellow.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.